Here on my machine, Kali Linux, the operating system built for one purpose, to find weaknesses before someone else does. Let's start by listing our network interface cards. There it is, a wireless adapter. Without this, none of what I'm about to show you is possible. Now let's put it in monitor mode. Monitor mode turns your adapter from a listener into a ghost. It can see every packet flying through the air around you. It says, monitor mode enabled. Good. Now let's verify the adapter name didn't change. These tools sometimes rename the interface automatically. Always check. Now, let's see what's around us. Look at all of them. Homes, businesses, people who have no idea someone could be watching. Hit Control and C to stop it. We'll use this one. It's mine. I own it. I have permission. That part matters. Copy the BSSID. That's the MAC address of the access point. Save it somewhere. And note the channel it's operating on. You'll need both. Now let's build the script. We'll use nano. Simple. Clean. No distractions. Name the file anything you want. Keep the .sh extension. Then paste the script in. One thing to change. The MAC address of your target access point. Replace it with the one you just saved. Let's increase this number to make it more aggressive. Control plus X, Y, enter, saved. Now make it executable. And before we run anything, this step is critical. We need to lock our wireless adapter to the same channel as the target network. If we're on the wrong channel, the packets go nowhere. Watch the interface name here. Make sure it matches yours exactly. And here, a space I forgot. Now let's copy the name of the script file and run it by executing this command. And we're running. Watch the packets go out. Every device on this network is being disconnected, one by one. Notice the destination MAC address, FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/FF:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/Fff:/ F. That's the broadcast address. When a packet is sent there, it's sent to everyone. Every connected device receives it simultaneously. No exceptions, no survivors. That's the vulnerability, built into the protocol itself. Not a bug someone forgot to patch. A fundamental flaw in how Wi-Fi was designed. Now you see it.